This might be a little tricky because I've got to put the camera in the little lean-to building because of the wind. I'll try to show the best I can what I'm doing. It may not be perfect, but I got to get this old igniter out first. It's just a nut that holds it on. There, and then I undo the wires. There. Wiggle it back and forth, and that does it. A word of warning, don't hold this and click it, you'll get shocked. Don't ask me how I know. Okay, I'm going to go get the new igniter. I got this grill mark electronic igniter. I'm going to give this a whirl and see if it works better than the piezo igniter. Doesn't hurt to try, I guess. Let's see what I'm going to have to do. It says universal, but I tend to have the items, the one or two items that doesn't work. So I'm always hosed one way or the other. But I have some plan L's and stuff like that, and I can usually get things figured out. It's got 2 sparkulators, so that's good to use with my side burner. No, it's actually got 3 sparkulators. So we'll figure it out as we go. Will I have to drill a bigger hole? Probably. Guess the battery might go in there. Don't know. Never done this before. Most definitely going to have to get a bigger hole in there. So I will come up with a plan of attack and get that done. Well, good news, I don't have to guess on my holes anymore. I've got a caliper. 29-30 seconds. So it'd probably be just good to drill a 1-inch hole. Probably what I'll do, just drill a 1-inch hole and we'll be good to go. A little while later, I got the old Dremel out and enlarged this hole, and that's a good fit. So now I'll read all about how to wire this thing up. Good news, looks like I'm going to be able to use the original mounting location, so I'm going to get that set up. Comes with a little retainer clip like so, and that just clips in there and holds the electrode on. Well, theoretically. See if I can get that where it will work. Nope. Have to try plan B. Since the original mounting hardware didn't work out, I just took this, I drilled a hole in it and mounted it with the self-tapping screw, that electrode. So now it should be able to mount into the grill. And we will see how that goes. I'm sure there will be a bunch of more customizations needing to be done for sure. And here the igniter is, the electrode and electrode housing onto the burner. It just is a friction fit, kind of clips on, and that's that. Now I can see if I can get some power to it and see if I can get it working. A little while later, I've got it installed. One thing to note, there's a little tab here. I had to bend mine in where the spark would jump. Don't know if it shows. Yeah, see from relation to the electrode to that little tab, that gap was too wide and the spark wouldn't jump that. But see, I got good spark now. And then also on the side burner, got a healthy spark. Now I can put some gas to it and see if it lights. Here's a quick look at the wiring. It's run okay. It's not extremely neat, but gets the job done. All ran through the guides and everything like it was originally. The electrode here is the original one. It still worked. It's built into the burner, so that's that. And then I had to add this ground for this electronic igniter. That's really the only mod. And then one terminal is to the electrode for the main burner, the second one is for the side burner, and the third one is the ground. And I need to trim that zip tie, but other than that, I have draped the wire down a little bit so the insulation doesn't melt, trying to keep it away from the housing of the grill. But so far it's been working great. How about a test? Easily open that and then go for it. Let's see what happens. Oh man, that's greatness. Got the side burner. Yep. I believe that will work out pretty well. I'll burn off any moisture that's in that burner right quick. I think we're in business for 2022 grilling season. The grill's all reassembled, so we'll give it one more try. Doesn't get any better than that. Completely satisfied with that. Well, I'll go ahead and cut the gas off. We'll be ready. And that's that. Nice pop at the end's always pleasant. So the grill is fixed. The sink is fixed. What's next? It's time to wipe down the ceiling fans and check the oil.